Little motorboat.
Yeah.
That's great. Oh, I guess their wings are flipping. They don't fly out of here. Just swim around all day long. The other guy is not moving. Looks scary. So is the other one back there. Swimming with us for no reason.
I know.